here, man, for a savior to rise from these streets. No, I'm no hero, that's understood. All the redemption I can offer, girl, is beneath this dirty hood. With a chance to make it good somehow. Hey, what else can we do now? Except roll down the window and let clear wind blow back your hair.
The combination of Fergie and Jesus.
Well, the night's busting open these two lanes will take us anywhere. We got one last chance to make it real. We're gonna trade in these wings on some wheels. Climbing back. Heaven's way down on the tracks. And it's whoa, don't take my hand. Riding out the night
It's the promised land. Whoa, summer road.
sit tight. There it goes. On the road.
Well, I got this guitar and I'm learning how to make it talk.
Well, my car's out back. If you're ready to take that long walk from your front porch to my truck, doors open with the ride is free. I know you're lonely, but what could I expose you? Tonight will be free. All promises will be broken. For this ghost in the eyes of all the wars you sent away. They hold this dusty beach road in the snow. Burn up, stab away. They spend your name out of the street. Your graduation gown lies in bags on climbing back. Like a brick down on the track. Whoa, come take my hand. Climbing out the night to the promised land. Whoa, thunder road, sit tight.
Money
Let's go. Thunder road. Well, I got this guitar and I learned how to make it sound. Careful losers, we're pulling you away.
Can't believe they in that
Believe it. I give you my music, make your soul take wing, and now how you repay me, denied me and betrayed me. He was bound to love you when he heard you sing. Christine, I love. Who am I? I'm Jean Valjean. I love you. Well, the doctor comes round here with his face all right, and in a little while it'll be alright. But all he gives is a humble pill, dose of dope and a great big bill. Tell me how to poor man stands this fire. Me and my old school pals have some mighty high times around here. What happened to you poor black folks? Well, it just ain't fair. All he gives is a little pep talk. Says I'm with him and he takes a little walk. Tell me, how can a poor man stand such times?
Graham.
Why? Better walk. It was worth it. It was worth it. 60 cents.
Money, baby.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna do the E-Train Shuffle.
What a dick!
He's just doing a shuffle.
What's the shuffle?
That's the best shuffle ever. So watch your foot.
I was born in a dead man's town. The first kick I took was when I hit the ground. And I'm like a dog. Beat too much.
I will watch it. Get off the train.
I was born in the USA.
I'm a loose rockin' down in the USA long.
I went down to see my VA fan. He said, son, don't you understand? When foreign land, don't you understand? I'm born in the USA. Born in the USA.
Oh my God, man, this is hilarious.
Wake up a young girl, cry, glory days, glory days. Go down to well-bound, till I get my well, I hope I can hold out, sit around thinking about it. But I probably will. Yeah, just sit back, trying to recapture a little of that glory of, well, time slips away, leaves you in nothing missing but glory and stories of glory days. Pass you by glory days. In the wake of a young girl's eye, glory days.